can you make waffles at home that are better than the shop?
Yeah, you could if you have like everything you need.
What is the main key ingredient to make waffles taste amazing?
100% the toppings on it.
So if I said to you, I've got Nutella, chocolate syrup,
Oh my days.
crunchy nuts,
Oh my days.
and strawberries, and I've got a waffle maker here. I've already pre-oiled it. I think we should be good.
Yes, we
So
should.
I've got a wooden base here.
Not a base, it's a chopping board, but you can use it for anything you want.
I need to plug it in
Yeah, right.
to warm it up.
Of course you have to.
So that means it'll take a few minutes to warm up. We have got this plugged in here. This is our waffle maker. You see the red light is on and the green light is on. Now,
Okay.
what happens is we'll either mess this up,
Or we'll mess it up.
but if we mess it up, we're going to mess it up in style. I've got the mix here.
Oh, that looks nice. Okay.
Okay, now,
Oh no.
can I get the correct amount in?
Oh my days. Perfect amount going. Oh. Oh my days. How do you take it out then?
Oh my God.
What?
I think.
Bang
Oh,
on.
wait, look at that professionalism.
for
Thank you to my
one.
master
Oh
chef
my days.
who helped me with this solution. I might have to give him an extra bonus this time for this session. Look at that. I can't believe that.
That's perfect.
Oh, wait, you can't see. I'm covering the camera. Okay, look there.
Like it's filling in there.
Okay, now we
How
need
do
to 8 minutes. So what'll happen is we're going to close this.
Oh my days. What's the nice? Okay, I thought it was being
Now
nice.
that's going to do its magic. And 8 minutes is what I need. So if I go, what will happen now is we're going to let that do its thing. And we're going to come back to you in a second. So what's happening right now is it's been a few minutes. 37. It's been 7 minutes. Because I put too much mix in, it's rising. I show you the side of it. See that? You can see
It's like fully open like that.
that's where it was and that's where it is. So it's like started rising. So potentially I put too much stuff in there. But
If we leave it for a bit longer, it could possibly.
yeah, I'll give it 2 minutes. Yeah, mate, already thinking about it. Oh my God.
Oh my days, that actually looks good.
That's
Not
probably the best waffle we've made. Oh my
Not
God.
bad, you know, not bad.
That is pro, mate. Holy.
That's fully.
Okay, we did well. We did well. Thank you for all the support. Now comes the fun part.
Decorating.
Okay. Whack a bit of
Norella.
chili.
Norella.
Do we drench it in Nutella or not?
No, not too much because we have this and that to go after.
Oh yes. So we're basically filling up the holes with Nutella.
Nutella.
Okay, you know what? I feel like the mix was perfect,
Yeah.
but I didn't put that much rising baking powder in there. But it rose a lot. So I feel like the next time we need to be able to see. Oh my God, look at that. Yo, mate, you are missing out if you're watching this and you're not experiencing the delightful nuggets of.
Everyone wants some. Go on, have some.
Oh man, we gotta decorate it in like a.
Let's decorate.
Okay, 1 sec. So we get 1 strawberry.
Put it in
Short time, stop and restart. Okay. The first strawberry goes on 1. Second strawberry goes on 2.
Oh, yes, it's
Third
like.
strawberry.
Okay.
Fourth strawberry.
Okay, and I'll put the
Oh,
little
look at
bits
that
on
presentation, bro. Man's chef. Okay. Just throw
Throw
some
a
extra
couple
ones
in
on there. So it's chocolate and
strawberry.
which is the ultimate best of the best.
Yeah.
But then we've got a secret weapon.
Nice.
Ferrero Rocher has stuff inside it which is like crispy.
Yeah.
So we feel like cashew nuts, roasted cashew nuts, a bit of sprinklings going on, like
Yeah,
randomly
just
there.
rack it there. Might as well. Okay.
So that feels like it's done it, but then the finishing touch is going to be.
There are 2 finishing touch are whipped cream.
Which one do you want to do?
What do you mean?
Which one do you want to do? I'll do one, you do one.
Which one do you want to do?
It's short, make sure it's close. Yeah, keep an eye on that.
Okay.
I'll do the treat, you can do the center thingy. So this is like a chocolate flavored topping. This is the best bit. You ready for it?
Go on. You have to do like a pro. You have to do it fast. Yes, like that. Bang on. Nice. And
So give
extend.
me a nice little squirt in the middle.
Okay, I might mess this up. So like,
You can't mess it up.
really.
There's no way of messing it up straight up like that. Yeah, whack. squeeze harder.
Wait.
Come on, bro. Too much. Oh, you're hiding it in the bottom.
Oh my
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, because I think this needs like a proper... Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, so we've made it. There's a little photo button on your thing as well. Like a little camera.
Ooh, that looks nice. What is sections now? Ooh. That looks dank.
So we look at the side of it. It looks cooked to me.
Yeah, it looks cooked.
Okay, so we get this plate.
Okay, a bit more. Shh. Oh yeah, for presentations. And some. This is ultra. Ooh.
Can we get a verdict, please?
Go on.
Oh
Taste
yeah.
it.
Okay, so while you're doing that, I'll make you one. Don't worry, we've got 3/4 here. Oh. Okay,
Oh.
1,
2, 3.
2, 3. Okay, my hand's all dirty. Okay, do you want anything more on there, or is this okay?
I think that's okay. Yeah, let's give our viewers the last quarter.
We'll save you some. Nice. 10 out of 10. 9. Oh my,
9.
that's not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad considering we had a bit of a Voldemort moment in there when it started taking its toll. And guess what I've got?
Oh my days, freeway cola. And you have to shake it in it.
Yeah, bro.
It's
That's
a fizzy,
what you're wrong. That's what you're wrong. You know what happens if you shake it, you know what? Oh, look, can you see that? Oh my god, look.
Oh my days,
It's fully bursting. Oh my
Why
God.
did you shake it?
Fully bursting.
No, chill, man, chill. You're having this one.
That's your one, by the way. Don't open it, it'll like squirt up in the camera. Okay, we need to test it. We need to try it. Okay. One sec. It's going to be a momentous occasion. You may have to get the full, for each individual, yeah. Okay, let me move the stuff out of the way so you can see what's going on. Okay, so remember we're trying this based on shops. Is it as good as shops?
Okay, opening
That's
time.
the ultimate thing. So we've got the waffle here. Oh, that was good. Did it not thingy?
Oh, I thought it was
So you want a bit of everything?
Yeah.
You want a big slice or a small slice?
small. Let's do the taste test first.
Okay, so we're gonna have to individually see our reaction on this. So
Oh my days.
I've got a bit of top down. Got a bit of strawberry, a little bit of cashew, and the actual waffle. You know what? It looks quite crispy.
Yeah,
You wanna
ready?
let that fit in the
Taste
knife?
test. Of course.
Oh my god.
Saved it. Mm.
Okay, and that
10
one
out
I
of
do a
10.
new short. You reckon?
Mm.
Okay, so wide. Okay, so screen. Now watch this. We've got like a full strawberry there. No. Oh my god, it's dripping. All the chocolate's
no.
dripping. Top down. Okay, you ready for the taste? Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. You know what? That's nice.
Yeah, you might need a drink after that chocolate. Cola.
One thing though.
What?
That squirty cream.
Mm.
It quickly went watery.
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't put too much chocolate on there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat 1.5
Yeah.
and then I'll give you the other half.
Okay. Have a drink. Have a drink.
I don't know though.
What? What's it making that noise? That's scary.
Full white. You can whack out the rest of it.
Right. Are you gonna open it? You drink?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you didn't know.
Man's got eyes in the back of his head, bro.
I was gonna say.
He did one of those ones. He tried one of them ones, didn't he?
How did you know?
And I've also got my backup on chat as well, so everybody in chat's letting me know. So I had a quick sneaky peek. Oh, did you see what he did? I was like, oh, we must have done something. Okay, so what's that? Nice.
Yes.
I think if I put less mixture in, then if I put less mix in, it might have been better because it would have not raised as much. But I feel like there's a certain quantity we need to hit.
Not bad though.
Top down. Once we hit a certain quality,
That won't fit in that? No way.
you know, there's a certain way of doing this.
What do you mean?
If you tilt the glass,
Yeah, I know. The face doesn't come up.
as you do it, it doesn't.
Okay, I'm trying to open this now.
Yeah, this is yours.
Oh.
I'm not drinking it. This is for our support. How does it taste?
As soon as you fizz that up,
It takes a bit of time to die down.
go down. Not bad.
It's
you know.
nice.
Yeah, I like it.
I could have put more chocolate on. In the shops, they full on coat it with chocolate, and then that way it's like, Why don't you eat it like a pizza?
What do you mean?
Like eat it like a pizza slice.
Oh, there's no. No,
Like just lift it, inhale it.
the hands will get dirty so much because of the
The only thing is, it is nice, but I feel like that squirty cream. The squirty cream made it a bit watery. So look, if you see, this is the subscribers one. Subscribers, the viewers. Now the choice is who would you like to eat it. You've already had one, but if they want you to eat it, you can eat it. I wonder if is it what's made this like watery stuff? I don't know what's made it's gone a bit watery. You want a bit of squirty on that?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You can just do a quick show on this one. Close up. What happens if we squirt? Oh my god!
No, man.
It's just air. What happened there?
Yeah, you have to go down that side.
Oh my day, we're creating a waffle better than the shop. We decided what went on it.
Yes.
What do you think?
It's excellent. Tastes nice.
So if you get a top down on this, you will see that this slice has been left over for you, the viewer. Thank you for watching us today. We'll see you on the next video, which will be right here.
Right here.
What's that video about?
But you find that right here.
Yeah, we haven't decided
Click
yet.
there and you find that.
You're going to see us on the next video. Thank you. See you in a bit.